Hi students, welcome to our channel Max Plus U. Today we are going to discuss Kongu Sahodaya School Complex in Class 10 CBSE Max Pre-Board exam. We have already discussed 10 plus Pre-Board exam question paper. It's there available in our Pre-Board exam playlist. Till now you are saw more question paper. Which question paper you are saying very nice question paper? Now I will say till now Kongu Sahodaya is very nice question paper. Why is there? Some topics we used to say some important question we should see. This type of question comes in exam. How we wanted to make like that you said that type of questions is included even in MCQs also. Can we discuss children today? Okay. Question number 1. Usually how we will discuss? Sir, question number 1 is from the chapter alone I will say. You will solve it after that we will discuss the answer. Even this time I am going to read the question itself as much as I possible. If A and B are two positive integers, least prime factor of A is 3 and the least prime factor of B is 5. Least prime factor of A plus B. Think. Least prime factor of A 3, least prime factor of B 5. What is the least prime factor of A plus B they are asking? Okay. Then second question, the graph of the P of X in the adjoining figure, zeros of the polynomial. This is one of the nice question. Till now, they will ask, find the number of zeros. How much time it is intersecting? 1, 2, 3, 3 like that. How much time it is intersecting in the x-axis only we used to see till now. But this time, what are the zeros? Intersecting at where? -5, here 0, here 7, like that they are expecting this time. So, they are talking about clearly P of X in X intersecting point only we going to discuss. Nice, la? Then third question, we all know, important question, it represents coincident line. We may expect this type of question in 2 marks and 3 marks also. Instead of coincident line, they may give you infinitely many solution also. So, A1 by A2 equal to B1 by B2 equal to C1 by C2. You can equate it and get the answer. Question number 4. What is question number 4? 4, they are given you one root and they are asking the other root. One root is 2 and they are asking you to find the other root. Then question number 5, one of the repeated and important question, children. The question number 5. Because this is there even in exercise 5.3, question number 11 model, they have given you SN. And they are asking you 25th term. So, they are asking this time 25th term. Sometime they may asking you nth term also. So, accordingly, you want to apply the formula. Anyway, we'll discuss. Question number 6, coordinate geometry. They are discussing about the ratio. Ratio, they are talking itself, you will apply the section formula. And they said it's a equilateral triangle, and we want to find the value of lambda. We all know equilateral triangle, all the 3 sides are equal. AB equal to BC equal to CA. Then question number 8, they have given you to find the measures of angle P and angle R. Easy. Think, check. And question number 9. In the given circle, in figure, number of tangents parallel to the tangent PQ. In one circle, tangent parallel to PQ. Which figure they're talking? They're talking about even number of tangents parallel. One triangle, one circle is there. That how many tangents can be formed parallel to PQ, they say. For example, like this. One tangent is there, and how many lines can be drawn? That is different. But how many tangents can be drawn? This only can be drawn, or any other thing. Check. Then 10th question, from a point P, 2 tangents PQ and PR, center O, angle, they said angle QPR 50 degree, QPR, this is 50 degree, QTR, this angle is what they are asking you. 11th question, they have given you cos theta value, then find a secant theta by just reciprocating it and getting the tan theta, substitute here and get the answer. Introduction to trigonometry question. 12th one, nice question, children. Even you may expect like this, some in the 2 mark, 3 mark proof also. Here something after giving x value, y value, z value, they will say to prove something. like x square plus y square equal to something. So that is what they ask you to do now. Question number 13, ma. They're talking about what? Two poles connected by the wire. Application of trigonometry. Easy. Think and get to find the length of the wire. This question even 2 marks, some sample paper and some Sahodaya paper I have saw, children. 11:20 to 11:55. So the time is 55 to 20. If you subtracted, 35 minutes. So 1 minute now it is 6 degree. Then 35 minutes now 35 into 6 degree. So you will get 210 degree. So 14th question, apply the formula theta by 360 degree into pi r square. Question this diagram only is applicable for question number 9, children. Question number 9, in the given circle they said that is what this question number given circle here. So how much tangent you can say parallel to it, you only should think and tell. Then O is the center of the circle. Shaded area is 1/3 of the area of a square. Then what is the area of the square? You want to find the area of a square. How do you have to check? And important thing, find the probability of it's a prime. Normally, prime number from 1 to 100 means number of prime numbers are 25. 1 to 50 is number of prime number is 15. 1 to 25, how many prime numbers you only have to check. Then this is repeated question. When you're talking about the probability, have 53 Sundays, 52 Sundays. For this, we have done separately video. Leap year, non-leap year, probability of same birthday, probability of different birthday, all are nice set of questions. Question number 18. The sum of the lower limit of the median class and the model class. So lower limit of the median class. So you want to find the median class, you want to find the model class, both lower limit you going to add. Clear? Check. Then question number 19. They're talking about the sphere. The sphere circumscribes a right circular cylinder, and they said the ratio of the surface area is 6:11. And what you going to do it for the reason? Check and tell me. Nice question. Then question number 20. They given you about AP nth term, and they are asking reason is a n minus 1 minus a n. D is a n minus 1 minus a n. You want to check whether a n minus 1 minus a n correct or not. For 21st, root 3 plus root 5 equal to irrational number. Even we may consider root 3 plus root 5 equals to one single, like r, like that. These are important from the chapter 1 real number. 22, triangles, children. You just go through. If you have doubt, you can think. Question number 23. Nice question. You can expect like this sum in the exam also, 2 mark. Question number 24. The first one is literal exercise 8.3, question number 3 model. Then this is applying the trigonometric tabular column. Question number 25. Here area related circles, here also area related circles. Solve it and get the answer. Question number 26. They are talking about what? HCF LCM, chapter 1 real numbers. In question number 27, they are talking about the polynomial. And good news is 28 is they are talking about the graph. Since they are talking about the graph and they are talking about the area of a triangle, it's a very nice set of questions. Then the either type is one word problem. So graph kindly talk, children, you have to solve properly, and you want to talk about even area of a triangle. And this is the one paper where the circles is somewhat away from the book question. Usually book question itself, circles have been occupied in 3 marks. Here, away from that, nice, both set of questions is nice set of question. Kindly go through it. And 30th, superb. So 30th is from Introduction to Trigonometry. Again, sine power 6 theta plus cos power 6 theta. Go through it properly. Nice setup. And 31 what na? They're given you histogram. You wanted to find the class interval. So remember 40 to 44, 4. 44 to 48, 6. 48 to 52, 10. 50 to 56, 14. 56 to 60, 10. 60 to 64, 8. 64 to 68, 6. 68 to 72, 2. Then find the modal class, mode weight, median weight, all. Section D. So what they are talking here, they are talking about one as pipe sum. Another one is also nice sum. I think this sum is there in your NCRT exemplar. Question number 33, pa. So they're talking about, again, nice set of questions. This type of question is there in 9th standard. You all remember? Quadrilateral, midpoint theorem related. Okay. 34th, pa. This type of question we can expect. Why na? They are asking both volume and area. And good news is they given you root 149 is 12.2. Pi is 22/7. Okay. Suppose they didn't give na, we only have to find root 149 12.2. Don't expect they didn't give root 149 value. So I will keep root 149 as it is like that. And don't say. They didn't give na root 149. We wanted to approximate it and you have to do it. So here they given only one decimal. If you are approximated, better go with 2 decimal. And go for here another one, weight of the pillar by using the sign pillar. Then 35 mean marks by using step deviation method. For one of the important question, my children know, whenever I am talking about the statistics, I will talk about how less than sum, below sum is important. I will say above sum or more than sum is very much important. But they asked only mean by using this by step deviation method for 5 marks. In my point of view, it's easy only. Only wanted to convert it. How to convert? When you have 0 to 10, 80 and 77, you have to subtract it and get 3. Then 10 to 20, 77 and 2, you should subtract it and you have to get it as 5. Like that. And find mean by step deviation method very clearly. Now then 36th question, pa. They are talking about the AP only. Go through. First one is, what is the minimum number of days he need to practice till his goal achieved? Second one, how many seconds takes after 50 days? Third one, out of 41, 30, 37, 39, which term is not the AP in the given situation? 37th question, pa. They have given you a coordinate geometry and they are asking you who will travel more distance and what is the ratio y-axis distance between town A and town B. 38. Read the text carefully. Answer the question. That means they're talking about the application of trigonometry here. Find the speed of the balloon and after certain times the angle of depression. They're talking total time. This is also a nice set of case study. So one way I wanted to appreciate the Kongu Sahodaya school complex question paper setters solution, wherever explanation necessary, they are given with the explanation. Usually you can't expect the explanation there. What they will do, option answer only they will give, but they are given even explanation here. See the first one, children. They are said 5 separator, 3 separator. So A for A leaves factor is 5. Next is 3, 5 plus 3, 8. So that reason is clear. Check. Then question number C, we know minus 5, 0, 7, it's intersecting. Question number 3. A minus 5B equals to 0. This by A1 by A2 equal to B1 by B2, not equal to C1 by C2. That you have to apply. I said this sum is even deserved for what? Then the next one. Yeah, solving, you will get the answer. A equal to 5B, A minus 5B equals to 0. Clear, check. Then fourth question, again explanation. You should substitute the product of zeros. As we discussed already, one is just short. Here 5 plus 3 equal to 8. And the second one minus 5, 0, 7. The third one A minus 5B equal to 0. Kindly equate this properly. A1 by A2 equal to B1 by B2 equal to C1 by C2. 2 by A plus B you can equate with any one. 3 by A plus B minus 3 or 7 by 4A plus B. Equate it and get the value of A, children. Easy ma. First two First one and second one. First one, third, or second one and third. Like this, two things you can equate and get the answer. And fourth one, children. We have alpha and beta are the roots of the quadratic equation. Alpha is 2. A, B, C given. Alpha plus beta is minus B by A. Then alpha value 2, substitute, plus 2 goes with sign of minus 2. Get the value of beta. Then product of zeros is roots are alpha beta equal to C by A. Again substitute. Again we are getting the value at last beta equals to 1. Check any other shorter way. They given this way. Any other shorter way you can find it also inform. Then Sn equal to 3n square by 2 plus 3a 13n by 2. We know an, nth term is Sn minus Sn minus 1 formula. That way 25th term you wanted to find now sum of 25 terms minus sum of 24 terms. Very simple. So I wanted to find 25th term na A25 na, then I can write S25 minus S24. Suppose they are asked you find nth term na, then first find S1, next find S2, then A1 and S1 are equal, A2 and S2 minus S1 are equal. Then A1, A2 you found na, subtract A2 minus A1, that is nothing but A. Then sixth question pa. They are having a section formula and they got the answer 2:3. Clear, check. Then seventh one we are getting the answer B, none of this. Usually none of this answer we used to won't get. So here none of this we are getting it. If we are using AB equal to BC equal to CA, we are getting the answer lambda equals plus or minus root 3. Then eighth one, they are asking the angle 20 degree, 30 degree. Once we are doing the similarity by SAS and they are getting it. Check ma. Ninth question, option B is 1. 10th one, D is 65 degree. It's because both angle added now 180 degree and we got QOR. Angle QOR 130 degree. Then angle QTR equals to half of the angle QOR. Ma 11th one pa. Then we are getting the answer 0. Check by using the Pythagoras theorem. After getting the Pythagoras theorem p value, okay, you don't want to apply k and all just since it's MCQ direct, you can write secant theta 3 by 2, tan theta root 5 by 2. Substitute it, at last what you are getting. It's important. Question number 12. They are applied the value, x value, y value, then substitute here. At last we got sin square theta plus cos square theta 1. So x square plus y x square plus y square plus z square, ultimately we are getting it as r square. Because your denominator we are getting r square, that goes with sign of multiplication r square. 13 is 12 meter. Clear, check. And the height is 12 meter. 14th, option C, 5.5 centimeter square, 30 degree. How you want to do is see, 35 minutes we are getting. That's why nothing, theta by 360 degree into pi r square. Apply and get the answer. 15 is root 3 pi pa. How we are getting root 3 pi? You can go through. We are using area of a square is 3 times shaded area. 69 by 25 because you can check the prime numbers are 9. If you want, you can go through. Then the 17th, 52 week plus 1 day. Only one chance of getting the Sunday. Because already 52 Sunday is there. That 1 day added, it becomes 53. So 1 chance out of 7 chances. 1 by 7. And get the median class and model class, median class 10 to 15, lower limit 10. Then model class, that lower limit is 15. Both sum is 10 plus 15 is nothing but 25. 19th question, both A and R are true and R is the correct explanation. Again 20th also same we are getting. Kindly go through whether you are getting any other different answer, check. 21st, We all know, even you may write root 3 plus root 5 equals to a by b also. You can write it as single variable r also, or a also. Simplify and getting the answer. 22, you can use by angle bisector theorem. BD by DC equal to AB by AC. DC equal to 100 by 12. Even you can write in the decimal, or you can write in the mixed fraction. 8.33 like this. If you done decimal also okay. Writing here like this also okay. A tangent AB equals to CD, you apply it and getting at last answer AB equals to CD. How we are added, you important children. So we have added EA and EC are equal, EB and ED are equal, both the side added and are getting it. 24, we are getting the A value is 45 degree and B value is 15 degree. Go through. Then use the trigonometry. If you are using the trigonometry there and we are getting the answer. Actually, we won't stop here. Okay, we will take conjugate also, but they are stopped here. Usually, we will take the conjugate 4 minus 3 root 3 by 4 minus 3 root 3 and getting. Since it's a 2 mark, they may stop, but usually preferably take conjugate. 25. My major arc is given nice length of the minor arc also been given 1 by 5 x and circumference x plus 1 by 5x, getting the 6 by 5x when you are doing LCM. 6 by 5x equals to, if you are equated, x value 55 centimeter. Then applied it and getting the answer 288.75 centimeter square. Getting the shape of a sector. Length of the arc is theta by 360 degree into 2 pi r. Already we know that is 20. Equate it and get the answer r equals 60 divided by pi. Then 26, if you are talking about LCM 243, got the answer 12. And they are asking when's the last day before 4th September. So we are getting 12 days gap we are added. At last, before 4th September, 23rd August is the answer. So you should write and get this answer. 27th, nice, important. So we are getting the quadratic equation and getting alpha plus beta, sum of the zeros, alpha plus beta and beta plus 2, both alpha plus 2 and beta plus 2 we are adding. So alpha plus beta, 2 plus 2, 4. Alpha plus beta value is 2 and here 4, 2 plus 4, 6 we are getting. Product of the 0, alpha plus beta into beta plus 2. So we are simplified, you are getting the answer 11. We all know quadratic polynomial formula, x square minus sum of x plus product. So x square minus sum is 6, product is 11. So x square minus 6x plus 11. Second subdivision, like that only, we are taking LCM, alpha plus 1 and beta plus 1. If you are taking LCM now, then you are getting at last like this. Alpha beta minus 1 plus alpha beta minus 1 by alpha plus beta plus 1. Substitute the value and getting the answer 2 by 3. Product of the 0 of the polynomial. At last, we are getting the answer 1 by 3. Getting the quadratic polynomial formula, x square minus sum of the zeros into x plus product of the zeros. You can substitute the k or you can keep as it is. 28th question, very, very important, children. Graph. They given you 2x minus y equal to 4. So in the 2x minus y equals to 4 2x plus y equals to 4 x value is substituted 0 na, y is 4. Then y value is substituted 0 na, x equals to 4 by 2 is 2. Same way the second equation, 2x minus y equals to 4. X is 0 na, minus y is 4, y minus 4. Y is 0 na, x equals to 2. Then both you join like this and you want to find the area of a triangle. Y-axis only, we are getting it here half into base into height. Here itself you will get 4 base, here 1 4. So half into 4 plus 4, 8. Height, if you're saying now 1 or 2, 2 cancel. 8 square units. Clear? Check. Then talking about the 2-digit number, one is 10x plus y and another one is 10y plus x. Then we are talking about for adding the number, subtracting all this, what they have given, that we are followed, simplified. At last we are getting x equals to 9, y equals to 2. Now y negative value is not possible since it comes under fraction. Digits cannot be never be negative, so we can remove the, since we're going to find a digit so it will be never be negative. Now 29th question pa. It's nice circle sum, can go through if you have doubt. This anyway we are seeing the answer key. Suppose if you have doubt in like this type of sums, inform, even if you may solve it. AH and HP are equal, BK and KP are equal, adding both, ultimate you will get like that. It's simple, like AB plus CD. In that way, both the angle are equal to 90 degree pa. And angle 3 and angle 4 also 90 degree. At last, all the 4 angles 90 degree. Clear? Check. Length of the tangents from an external point to a circle. Very important. This is like exercise 10.2 question number 8 model. That's what AB plus CD equal to AD plus BC. That way you can just go through. It's nice model. After that, you wanted to join OA, OB, OC. Then find the area of triangle ABC equal to area of triangle OAB plus area of triangle OBC plus area of triangle OCA. Half into base into height, half into base into height, half into base into height. So R you take common, half into AB plus BC plus CA. Ultimate understood? Check. So half into perimeter of triangle ABC into R is your answer. AB plus BC plus CA is perimeter of a triangle ABC. Nice question. I can expect this type question. Board only. All board exam questions only they have covered. Then apply here. Sin power 6 theta, cos power 6 theta. A cube plus B cube. They have given you clearly A cube plus B cube is A plus B whole cube minus 3AB into A plus B. Then A square plus B square is A plus B whole square minus 2AB. Substitute pa. So we know sin square theta plus cos square theta 1 and 3 sin square theta, again sin square theta plus cos theta 1, again sin square theta plus cos square theta 1. Once we are substituted like this and are getting the answer, at last what? 0. They given you histogram only, children. You only have to form the number of the students. Once you have to write the number of students, then they are asking you to find the model class. We all know model classes, which is a bigger number. Bigger number is 14. 14 belongs to 52 to 56. Correct, ma? Then apply the mode formula. When I got mode and I already found that, then they given you mean value also. Mode we found now, mean they given na, then they're asking median na. Kindly use empirical relationship formula. 3 median equals to mode plus 2 mean. Or mode equal to 3 median minus 2 mean also, both same transposition. Then 32nd question pa. The tap sum we are discussing more time. The tap sum, children, 1 by x minus 2 plus 1 by x equal to 8 by 15. Getting the value, x is 3 by 4, x is 5. Total time pa, around 60 minutes. T plus t square by 4 minus 360. Getting the quadratic equation, t square plus 4t minus 252 equal to 0. Get the value t equal to minus 18, t equal to 14. Time can never be negative, so time is 14 minutes. 33 pa. Again, we're talking about the midpoint of AB, AC, CD and BD. We wanted to prove PQRS as a rhombus. Using midpoint theorem, we can do it, children. Usually, midpoint theorem related question they won't ask, but here they have asked you. Anyway, they have asked PQRS as a rhombus. And next question, height is 10 and the radius and cone hemisphere given. L value 12.2. Getting the volume volume of the toy pi r square h plus 2 by 3 pi r cube expected, and surface area of the toy, CSA of the cone and CSA of the hemisphere. Check children. Then the another model is, we know cylinder, volume of cylinder plus volume of cone. We have to get the volume of cylinder formula pi r square h and volume of the cone 1 by 3 pi r square h. Take common. Substitute 50688 centimeter cube you are getting. Weight of the pillar is volume into weight. So you will get ultimate of 506.88 kg. Mean step deviation method. We already discussed. They given you only more than. You wanted to convert 0 to 10. Proper frequency you have to subtract. 80 minus 77, 3, like that. After getting it, only step deviation method we used to use. We all know the formula. Mean x bar equals to a plus summation fi ui by summation fi into h. That's what this. Then substitute this minus 26 by 80, 0, 0 cancel. Getting 3.25 and getting 51.75 is answer. 36th question AP. We are substituting the AP. We know the thing and getting the n. They applied an equal to a plus n minus 1 t formula. Even you can apply n equals to l minus a by d plus 1 formula also to get the value of n. Second subdivision 41 seconds getting it. Given AP is there or not, you have to say 30 is not in the AP, you have to consider. Easier check Now we are talking about the coordinate geometry First they have talked about the distance traveled by the Veena. So the station and the town A. Distance minus 4,4 and 1,7. Distance you found easier root 34. Distance traveled by the Arun is root 68. Who is more distance? Root 34, root 68. Definitely Arun only traveled more distance comparatively to Veena. Then the second one, you have to use the y-axis and ratio k:1. Substitute it, get the ratio 1:1. Then the third one, we have to find the distance. That is nothing but root over 34. Then the 38, we all know that is trigonometry. Speed of the balloon speed equal to distance by time. So 100 by 15 is nothing but 6.6, 25 by 3 meter per second. Then triangle APC when you're doing tan 60 degree value 100 plus x by 100, getting at last 73.21. Then the third one, children, distance by speed. Kindly go through. As I said, this is one of the nice paper since I have saw. Even the question paper may looks lengthy, but you don't want to think this question paper for solving just 3 hours. It's like for to practice this type of questions also there, so you want to do it. Kindly forward to 10th standard students, children, to this video. It will be very much useful, and which concept or which topic we wanted to solve, which important sums, which topic, you kindly inform in the comments. We will start solving that. Thank you.